Let's go to create the polygon. Just for example, there's a click polygon, left click, and then toggle editing. It's really simple. And this one, click add polygon feature. It's the same method, just left click until done. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back on Mangrove Map YouTube channel. It's about a tutorial, QGIS tutorial, and this time I want to share about create SHP subfile, point, polygon, and line, and how to digit of the area and point and line. So this one is result after I create the point, just one point, just for example. And in this tutorial, I want to create a polygon in the mangrove area, and then a line of the river, and a point to like a location. So let's move to QGIS software. This is default of a view from a QGIS, and sometimes you cannot find this tool in here, but don't worry, you can use this one to open data and etc. So let's go to create new SHP. Before we create subfile or SHP, I want to this is like view of the map in the earth. I use a Google Earth satellite and zoom in Java Island, actually in Semarang city. This one is a mangrove area and industrial area and river. This one, and this one is a route. So our task is create the point, line, and polygon, and how to create point. So let's move to create point. You can this one, new subfile, left click, and then give name, file name. You can go into browse. Okay, point and save. And don't forget to give geometry type, use point, and this one WGS 84, and just okay. And your point in here. How to create a point? Just click point, left click, and then this one, toggle editing, or you can right click and go to toggle editing. It's the same method actually, and then click this one, add point feature, and make sure your point, maybe you want to take a sample in here, and then you can click OK or give ID number 1 and then 2 and OK. It's really simple to create a point, and save, and then stop. And how to create a line and polygon is the same method, but just change geometry type. This one for folder, line, and save. Geometry type, line string. Don't forget, use this one, and OK. It's the same method, just right click and then toggle editing and create the line. It's really easy to create the line. Just left click until the end of the river, left click. For finishing, just click right click, okay, and give a number, and okay, and you have a line and point. So click save to save your subfile and stop this one, toggle editing. For the last, create a polygon is same method, just a left click in here and give a name in your folder, for example polygon. Actually you can change name in here, everything you want, mangrove or industrial area and etc. and save. And don't forget give type of geometry. Go to this one, polygon. Don't forget to give coordinate system. I use this one, WGS 84, and okay. Let's go to create the polygon. Just for example, there's a click polygon, left click, and then toggle editing. It's really simple. and this one, click add polygon feature. It's the same method, just left click until done. Okay. If you want to make sure the measure is correct, just zoom in. But when you don't need it, just zoom out. It's make you much easier to make a polygon. It's just for example, so I'm not need to more detail. For the last click is right click and give ID number. Actually, it's up to you. Can without numbers, no problem. So let's okay, and then save and stop. Okay, done. It's really simple. So you have point, line, and polygon. Okay, thank you very much. See you.